Hello everyone. This is an unboxing for Samsung Galaxy S7. I've pre-ordered it from T-Mobile. This was on the 24th of February, and I've just got it, and I'm pretty excited to see what it has to offer. So let's get into it. I've got it on UPS. I think they shipped it yesterday. It was supposed to come on the 11th of this month, but they shipped it yesterday, and it came down today. So yep. So let's go ahead and dig in. Right. So here's the T-Mobile packaging. Congratulations on your new S7. Oh, come on. You guys don't know what I got. S7 or S7 Edge. Come on, seriously. Alright. Whatever. Well, yeah, there you go. I have a Gear VR, which is supposed to come with this. Free, since I pre-ordered it. And then I do get 1 year of Netflix. This was a pretty sweet deal. So, you know, I went ahead and took it. Alright, there you go. Samsung Galaxy S7. Oh my gosh, looks beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. And we have to do a similar cut over here. God damn it. Right, sorry for the break. I couldn't get my scissors in there, but yeah, there you go. I've cut the tape open, and oh my god, it's so hard to do it with one hand. Hold on, let me just pull it out so that you guys can see it. Right, so I pulled it out from the case over here, and you know, that's the case, and that's the box, and I'm gonna open this up, and there you go. The beautiful looking Samsung Galaxy S7. Look at that. Galaxy S7. So as you guys know, it's got the waterproof feature back, which was on the S5 previously, and this somehow for some reason removed it on the S6, and that's some, so I don't know what that is. And that's the SIM for T-Mobile. Let's see what else. I don't know what this is. What is this? Well, we'll see that later. We have I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a USB connector. Okay. And we have the wall charger. I was hoping they'd give a wireless charger, but man, who cares? And my guess is these are the headphones. Let's see. Headphones, they're white, and they look a bit curvy. So notice this, you guys. These are the OEM headphones. So next time you try to buy one of these online, this is how it's supposed to look. This is how it's supposed to look. Yep. I tried to buy these. One of my friends tried to buy these online and he got screwed over. So be careful. And then let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. The manuals? Ah, there's the manuals. Yep, those are manuals. That's the welcome manual. And blah blah blah. Okay, let's go ahead and power this baby up. See that? New animation from Samsung. That's T-Mobile. They've got the best rates, y'all. They've got the best rates. And that's the initial setup guide, which I'm pretty sure you all know. That's the Wi-Fi and stuff. So yeah, that's the Marshmallow, Android Marshmallow 6.0. So let me just set this up real quick and show you the finished product. So I'm setting this up, and it seems it needs my verification code. So I need to end this video since I'm shooting it on S4, which has a 4.4.4. I'm not sure why T-Mobile hasn't updated it for some reason. Well, they managed to frustrate me anyway and get this new device from them. Anyway, so thanks for watching.